everyone, welcome back to WsCube. In our today's session, we will be talking about set functions part 3. So guys, in our previous two sessions, in total we have covered 12 functions with the sets. There are 12 methods that we have learned. In our today's session, we will be covering 5 more methods, and after this we will be moving to our problem solving session. So let's quickly get started that what 5 functions we have in this session. So guys, here again I have considered the example of two sets over here. Set A has Iron Man, Thor and Hulk, and set B has Superman, Batman and Thor. So here union. So guys, first of all we have union method. Union method provides us with all the values that are there in set A and set B, and if there are duplicate values also, it provides us with that one value. It converts it into a one value and provides us to it. So if I write print A dot union B over here and run my program, so let's see what do we get. We get over here Thor, Batman, Hulk, Superman, Iron Man. We know that the Thor has been used twice over here. It's once used in our set A and it's second time used in our set B. Still it's keeping it only one time because the set can never contain duplicate items. It contains only unique items. So that's why over here in set A and set B we have got all the items, and plus if there were any common items, it has reduced it to 1. Talking about our next method over here, that is the update method. What update method does over here? Update method adds the item of B inside the A but not the duplicate items. It only adds the items which are not there inside A but it is there inside B. So guys, update method over here provides us with a set with all the elements which are there in B. It shifts all the elements of B inside our set A. Let's see how it can be done. If I write A dot update B and if I print A over here, let's run and see what output do we get. So we get all the elements which are there in A, that is Iron Man, Thor and Hulk. Along with it, I got the elements of B inside it, but not the elements which are duplicate. So it basically provides us with the elements which are there in B but not the duplicate ones which are already there in A. It only provides us with the elements that are not there in A. So guys, update over here is adding all the elements of B inside A except the ones which are the common elements. So it's removing the common elements and updating it with the elements which are there in B but not in A. Next method that we have over here is disjoint method. Let's see what is disjoint method. So guys, disjoint method over here gives us true if no items of set A are present in set B. So I'll be writing print A dot disjoint B. So I'll be writing over here print A dot is disjoint B, and as soon as I run this program I get the value false because disjoint means that no items of A should be in B, but here Thor is there inside the B, that's why it's giving us with the false. So false over here means that an item of set A is also there in set B. So guys, our next method is subset. Checks that all the elements which are there in A, are they all present inside B or not, that A is a subset, that A is a part of B or not, that all the elements which are there in A is in B or not. So if I write print A dot, I'll be writing is subset B, and if I run it, so it gives me false because A is not a subset of B over here. Similarly, talking about a superset over here, the last method over here with us is superset. So guys, a superset returns us true if all the elements of B is present inside A. The subset was checking that if all the elements of A is present inside the B, but the superset over here is checking that if all the elements of B is present inside the superset A, that is if B's elements are there in A. So if I write over here print A dot is superset B, so it will give me false. Why it's giving me false? Because not all the elements of B are there inside our set A. So if it would have had over here, let's say Superman as well, in that condition it would have given me true. Why it would have given me true? Because all the elements which are there in B are now present in A. So far we have covered 17 set functions, and I hope you guys have no doubts and no questions. And in our next session, we will be solving problems related to the sets. So stay connected guys, and I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.